Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on Connections right away. Following that, tap on Bluetooth section and click on the gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature to activate it. Now wait for available devices to show up, and when they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Now select Pair and just wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!